Hello viewers, I'm Tanisha and welcome to Hello English and SIHM Kuchamal City Institute. आज हमारे साथ में है the Director and Senior Educator Mr. Abrar Khan sir. Welcome to our talk show sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, first of all describe the Hello English and SIHM Institute.
हेलो इंग्लिश एंड SIHM इंस्टीट्यूट दोनों ही जो इंस्टीट्यूट है हमारे एंड हेलो इंग्लिश इज जस्ट फॉर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रिपरेशन फॉर वेरियस पर्पजेज। कोई भी बच्चा किसी भी एज ग्रुप का किसी भी कैटेगरीज का जो अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता है, चाहे वो स्पोकन इंग्लिश हो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इन इंग्लिश हो, कॉम्पिटिटिव इंग्लिश ग्रामर हो, इन सभी पर्पज के लिए इंग्लिश के लिए एक बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है वो है हेलो इंग्लिश। SIHM की अगर हम बात करें तो वो है सुप्रीम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट।
होटल मैनेजमेंट,
यस, 12th पास स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी है, शानदार अपॉर्चुनिटीज है कि कोई भी किसी भी स्ट्रीम से पास आउट स्टूडेंट SIHM से होटल मैनेजमेंट करने के बाद उसके साथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज है इंडिया में, साथ ही साथ अब्रॉड।
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for students.
Yeah.
Sir, is the communication skills in English and spoken English same?
No, I can say no. Actually, communication skills is better than the spoken English. Spoken English is just the initial phase of learning any new language. If we talk about English, spoken English, communication skills in English is entire personality of anyone.
Personality of a person.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
matter.
And communication skills in English, we first of all we work for fluency. That you can call spoken English. And then accuracy, that's really important, and appropriacy. Without appropriate ideas, we cannot discuss any topic. So communication skills is very important for anyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, how can the English language be learned fluently and easily?
How fluently and easily? Of course, English language can be learned easily with regular practice sessions. If somebody start practicing from today, you can learn English within a very short time, and with the proper guidance of the instructor. Especially in our Hello English, we teach with the proper scientific methodologies by which students get the atmosphere of learning, and so English can be learned very easily and fluently in very short period. Yeah.
Okay, so sir, how can improve the British and American accent in English?
Yeah, accent plays a very vital role, very important role for anybody's communication skills. Accent is a major part of language. It's a deep thing actually, but with the regular practice sessions, if we talk about the phonetics, if we talk about the intonation, if we talk about the rhythm, these are the very important part to improve the spoken English as well as communication skills in English.
Oh yeah, it's a very super. Sir, what is IELTS and PT?
Yeah, IELTS and PT ये जो दो टेस्ट है मैडम, ये है उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, उन एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए जो इंडिया से बाहर, चाहे वो यूरोप हो, अमेरिका हो या किसी भी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्रीज के लिए जहाँ पे वो स्टडी हो, वर्क करना चाहते हैं. That stands for IELTS and PT. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System and PT is a pursuant test of English. तो इन दोनों टेस्ट के साथ कोई भी एस्पिरेंट्स like in UK, Europe, America or any English speaking countries, they can go and get job easily.
Okay. Yeah. So sir, what is hotel management course?
Our hotel management course is specially designed for the aspirants. उसको इतना flexible हम लोगों ने बनाया है. It's a 1 year professional diploma in hotel management actually, and the first 3 months जो students वो यहाँ कुचामन में रहेंगे just for the initial training of English language and basic knowledge of hotel management. After that, after 3 months they will be moving to the 5-star hotel Jaipur. Especially we are tied up with Taj Group of Hotels.
Taj Group of Hotels.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, what are the placement supports?
Of course, placement supports are there, ma'am. जैसे ही हमारा HM course बच्चे यहाँ पे एडमिट होते हैं, after 3 months they move to the Taj and a 5-star
Taj.
Jaipur. Yeah, of course, Taj. And after that they get placement at Jaipur or in India, across the India. After 21 years of old, जैसे उनकी एज 21 साल हो जाती है और उनका HM complete होता है, and they can apply for the various opportunities in India as well as abroad. Especially we we provide the opportunities for cruise.
Cruise also.
Yeah, cruise also, and they are getting the higher salaries in a cruise as well as in hotel industry too.
Okay, so hotel management course is a great opportunity for students.
Of course. In this unemployment rate of India, we can say about across the globe, anyone can pursue hotel management. जो पढ़ाई में ठीक नहीं है या जो इंग्लिश में ठीक ठाक नहीं है, anyone who can pursue the hotel management and make his future bright.
Okay, all right. We had a great session with sir and hoping it will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.